everybody, it's Lisa. It's that special time of the month, the time we all look forward to. Yes, it is So Sampler time. I have my September box unopened, but before I cut the tape, just want to let you know, if you've never been to my channel before, I love to do unboxings. I love to do easy craft projects. I'm starting to do some vlogging. So that said, shameless plug, please hit that subscribe button. I would love for you to come along on my journey and help my channel grow. Anyway, shameless plug over. Let's open the box. So the So Sampler box is a monthly quilting sewing subscription box. And I purchased this box with my own money, if anybody wants to know, and I am not sponsored. I don't have any affiliate links either, sorry. But all right, stop the blabbing, Lisa. This box is called Hidden Gem. Ooh, I like the purple and green lily thingy. Let's open it. There is a coupon here. 30% off by Annie Notions and More. I think, yeah, you have to go to Fat Quarter Shop, and if you enter this special code, which I'm sorry I cannot share, you'll get 30% off. Here is the itemized listing of everything we get. I will go over that at the end of the video. It does include the pricing, which is really nice. Ooh, 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 ooh. What is this? What is this? This is called Quilt Clips. Keeps quilt neat while hand or machine quilting. Oh, check it out. It's like a little circle, and you put your quilt in it somehow. Oh, I see what it does. I'm thinking, this is too small to quilt inside of. You don't quilt inside of this. What you do is you roll up your quilt and you hold it. See the little picture? So that's kind of interesting. Sometimes I roll it, and just depends on the size. Well, that is really cool. Very nice. Okay, it's by Sewmates. And then the next thing is, this looks like a tea towel. It is. Very cute. It is kind of on the thin size, but you know, as a dish towel, really nice. I like it. I like it. Very nice. It is by, is there a little tag? Gingerbread, exclusively for Fat Quarter Shop. I'm sorry, I cannot pronounce anything. I took a nap. I woke up a little while ago. Ooh, this is really nice. Some kind of fabric. It's by Balboa. Do you see that? All right. Now I'm going to have to look this up because I have no idea what size it is. It is, I'm having trouble, sorry ladies and gentlemen. It's Petite Balboa Fat Quarter Bundle. Okay, let's open it up because I want to show you. Very nice. I've never seen this in a Fat Quarter box before. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fat quarters. Sweet. Very nice fabric. It's very spring-like. We're going into fall, but I don't care. You see that? That's the first one. Oh, I love the second. The second. This is really nice fabric. Thank you, Fat Quarter Shop. I am in love. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Each one is getting better than the last. I can't wait to see the pattern. Sweet. Okay, this is probably the plainest colored one out of them all. And then the last one. Woo, that's peppy. So, very nice. 6 fat quarters. This is really cute too. I have this in a bigger size, and this reminds me, I am actually giving one of these away. If you go back 3 videos, I am giving away a really big silicone mat. It's like 17 by 24. I'm giving away 3 quilting tools, 3 videos back. But this is a mini silicone applique fuse mat. This is perfect. It'll protect your iron. So if you have like fusible web and you're fusing it onto fabric, this will protect your iron so it doesn't get all that sticky gunk from the sticky side of the fusible onto your fabric. It won't get it on your iron if you're sometimes a little sloppy like I am. So this is really cute. Very nice. And the project, wow. This is a pack and go project bag. I don't know if I'm going to make a project bag. I'm definitely going to use the fabric for something, but if I wanted to, you can make this really cute pack and go project bag. Let me show you it one more time. And it looks like it is from a book. It's from the book, or at least the designer is called Sherry McConnell, and her book is Labor of Love. So this project might be in that book. Very cute. I like it a lot. I mean, I don't really travel with my sewing, so I don't really need a project bag, but I love the fabric. And here is the card for the Greatest Hits block. That is the finished block. Wow. Let's go over the pricing real quick. This is a little bit different for Fat Quarter Shop. They usually are a little bit more traditional. This is great. So the fabric bundle, which was the 6 fat quarters by Sherry and Chelsea from Moda Fabrics, that's $18.98. You got your value right there almost in the box. The dish towel, which is a Sewing Life tea towel. I'm not going to pronounce who it's by because I mucked it up so badly. That's $9.98. The silicone mat, it's 7 by 7 by the way. It is $18.98. Ooh. And this Sew-Mate quilt clips is $9.98, like $10. And then the project, they value that project bag at $9.98 and $4.98 for the Greatest Hits. So that's the box. That is really neat. I love the little tea towel. I love it. I love it. It's so cute. Anything with cuteness. But I'm telling you, if you go back 3 of my videos, I am giving a huge one of these away, along with 2 other items, which are some of my favorite quilting items. Gotta take a look at the video to check it out. I will give you the link below. Shameless plug again. Here are the quilt clips, which I may or may not use, but it looks like it's something good to have. And of course it's pink, which I like the color pink. And the fabric, which I have a big mess right here, but it's really nice. So let me know what you thought of the September box. Did you like it? Are you excited as I am about getting it in the mail? I saw it in my mailbox. I was like, I'm tired, but I'm gonna do a video anyway and throw it up there for you guys. So let me know what you thought, and don't forget, subscribe to this channel, like, and leave me a comment. I want to hear what you have to say. And that is it. I do want to end the video. I got a really positive response about, I mentioned my son in my last video, the one that's the young Marine, and I thought I would just show you his picture. This is my son, and this is the young man that I miss every single day. So, my baby. I still got 2 other babies though, but that's my David. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.